of peace rather than violence, to enable them to be makers of peace rather than only consumer of peace. We believe that the school atmosphere, the personality and behavior of the teachers, the facilities provided in the school have a large say in developing a sense of value of peace among students. Education at our school, therefore, bears a testimony to the view of Mahatma Gandhi. If we are to teach real peace in the world, we shall have to begin with our children. As an institution, we are constantly engaged in an effort to prepare our learners to be future responsible citizens. They would not only be the ambassadors of our rich cultural heritage, but also the potential instruments of peace, positive social change, and awakening to the world at large. Today, on the occasion of our 55th annual day, we assess our achievements, evaluate our experience about the year-round activities of the school, be it in field of academics, cultural, or sports. This is the time to make you aware how committed we are in actively raising the quality of education in various fields so as to make them versatile by tapping their full. I would now like to hand over the responsibility to ministers of the school cabinet to present before you a report recounting our activities and humble achievements of the students. May God bless you all.
We at St. Francis realize the importance of education in shaping not only an individual's life but also a nation's destiny. Agreeing with Joseph Edison's view, what sculpture is to a block of marble, education is to human soul. Academic excellence is a touchstone of any educational institution. The brilliant performance of our students has added to our resplendent glory. In the Class 10 board examination conducted by Central Board of Secondary Education in 2011, 178 students appeared. The pass percentage was a remarkable 100%. A perfect score of CGPA 10 was scored by 29 of our students. 31 students scored a CGPA greater than 9. I take privilege to state that our school is declared as the best CBSE school of Agra district in Hindustan Pratibha Samman Samaroh, organized by prestigious news group Hindustan Media Ventures Limited. In order to develop a scientific, mathematical and linguistic temperament, the mathematics, cyber, science and English Olympiad were being conducted from class 3rd onwards. Our students secured various positions and medals for their excellent performance at state, national and international level. Students from class 3rd to 10th participated in Computer Olympiad and received medals. Rachit Khandelwal of class 5th begged the position of school topper. He received a gold medal and a certificate along with the trophy. In International Science Olympiad, 19 students got laurels to our school. Ishita Agrawal of class 10 secured 2nd state rank and 70th international rank. Students from class 6 to 10 participated in English Olympiad and Bhavya Kapoor secured 438 rank at state level. Our students sparkled in Maths Olympiad and received 15 gold, 21 silver and 163 bronze medals. In AIPSC 2010, Ayushi Gupta and Shashank Garg were awarded scholarship of rupees 1,000 and 800 respectively. In the year 2011, Rachit Agrawal successfully qualified the final round and was awarded a scholarship of rupees 1,000. Our students from class 6 to 9 participated in brain-o-brain competition and won several medals. National Children's Science Congress at district level was held at Agra College ground. 15 projects from our school were presented. 4 projects from junior year and 2 from senior year was selected at pre-state level. Out of them, 1 project, screening soil towards suitable crop growth, presented by class 7 students, was selected for state level. They received a gold medal and a certificate. We have made efforts to implement CCE in its true spirit as per guidelines issued by CBSE. Each child is evaluated in scholastic as well as post-scholastic areas which enable them to assess themselves in a better way. Central Board of Secondary Education organized a message writing competition as CC activity to celebrate the National Education Day. I am proud to announce that the message written by Yatin Singhania of class 6 has been judged as the best message for teacher in Allahabad region. He will be felicitated at an award function on 14th of November at National Museum, Janpat, New Delhi. In nutshell, we can say that the academic session 2010 to 11 is a year of achievements and progress on all counts, for which we are thankful to the Almighty. Now, I would request Tanya Sharma to highlight the colorful events of this academic session.
Is a multifaceted process which aims at holistic development of all the learners. The school provides a platform for children which enables them to recognize and realize their latent talents, carve a niche for themselves, and grow up to be responsible citizens of future, possessing the capability of being instruments of positive change in this ever-changing world. A prolific American writer, Sarah Joseph Hales, had once opined, there can be no education without leisure, and without leisure, education is worthless. So, co-curricular activities are considered an important aspect of child's education at St. Francis. Not only are a plethora of carefully selected activities regularly organized within the school, but our students are also given numerous opportunities to participate in a large array of intra- and inter-school activities. The students of our school are divided among 4 houses: Ruby, Topaz, Emerald and Sapphire. Various inter-house competitions were conducted at sub-junior, junior and senior intellectual and emotional aspects of the students. Francisians are constantly guided by the spirit to excel. A focused approach, diligence, perseverance and a positive attitude has always enabled them to scale the lofty heights of success in all their endeavors. The commendable achievements of our students at inter-school level are at discussion level painting competition organized for Catholic schools by the Commission for Youth, Archdiocese of Agra. Juhi Jain and Stuti Jain of LKG received first and third prize along with rupees 3,000 and 1,000 respectively. Ravi Jain of Standard 10 stood first. She was awarded with a trophy and a cash prize of rupees 3,000. Shashank Garg stood second at district level talk show held at MD Jain Inter College, Agra. Pratiksha Jain of class 7 received first prize in Sutta and singing competition organized by Sangam Kala Group. Aditya Gulani of class 1st was awarded first prize in Hasya Kavita Sammelan held at DPS Shastripuram. Ayush Paliwal secured third position at Saroj Devi Memorial Inter-School Debate Competition organized at St. Peter's College, Agra. Khyati Jain of class 7 won first prize in Takdanadir dance competition organized by Moon Network. She also received first prize in drawing competition organized by Child Care and Welfare Society. In the same competition, Tushita Sachavan of class 3 received third prize in junior group. Anubhav Jain of class 10 stood second in peace poster competition organized by Lions International, Agra. Shivangi Kulshrestha of class UKG won second prize and Maria Irfan of class 10 and Dhruv Chaudhary of class 4 received third prize in a drawing competition organized by Agra Nagar Nigam. Shefali Sharma of class 4 won first prize and Khyati Jain of class 7 won third prize in Dance India Dance Contest. An essay competition on vegetarianism was held at district level at MD Jain Inter College, Agra. Shashank Garg in senior group, Pankhuri Bansal in Shivangi Katyal in junior group and Rajat Khandelwal in sub-junior group won prizes. A cultural week was organized from 1st October to 10th October for the students of LKG and UKG to recognize their talents, hone their skills, instill positive values and make learning a fun. School assemblies are an integral part of the curriculum. They play a vital role in contributing the growth and development of a student. In our school, each class is given the chance to conduct the regular assembly. Our morning school assembly is also used as a platform for imparting values to the students in a very creative manner. Each class conducts a special assembly on a value-based topic during the calendar year. Various festivals are celebrated in a colorful manner to instill in the minds of children a feeling of unity, no matter what religion they follow. A feeling that festivals are meant to be celebrated together. National festivals like Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated with great zeal in order to create in the students a sense of patriotism, brotherhood and unity. It was a moment of great pride that our school was made the host of the joint function held on Republic Day at Cathedral Church. To enlighten our students on issues like population explosion, literacy, environmental degradation, female infanticide, etc. and to channelize their energy in the right direction, emphasis is laid on the celebration of such important days. Students wholeheartedly participated in these activities. In every class there is a bulletin which provides an opportunity to communicate ideas. It becomes a test of students' creativity. Students are seen decorating these boards and writing important messages on them. They are an effective means of teaching and displaying the work of students for their families and for visitors to view. The world is a book, and those who not travel read only pages.